Good day, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Wanted to look at the AI on NASDAQ 100 earnings, the tech-heavy part of um, the stock market. Um, and I just wanted to look at see how the tech companies are doing in terms of earnings and expectations so far in 2026. So I asked the AI, how are the earnings in the NASDAQ 100 so far in 2026? Answer: earnings for NASDAQ 100 companies in early 2026 has been exceptionally strong, driven overwhelmingly by big tech and AI related names. Across multiple sources, the picture is consistent. Q1 2026 earnings have beaten expectations at a historic rate, with many companies posting double digit revenue growth and massive EPS surprises, earnings per share surprises. Below is a structured, evidence based summary grounded in the latest available reporting. Top level takeaway: NASDAQ 100 earnings so far in 2026 are extremely strong, with big tech delivering major beats in both revenue and earnings per share. AI related demand, cloud accelerators, and semiconductors is the dominant driver. The index has hit record highs as a result. So one day on May 8th, 5 day for the past week. Actually, I'm not gonna look. I'm actually down with something else right now, so I'm not gonna look at that chart. But anyway, the big tech Magnificent Seven earnings Q1 2026 highlights. All data below is sourced from the search results. Uh, Alphabet, Google, revenue 109.9 billion plus 22% year over year, beat estimates. Earnings per share 5.11 versus 2.62 expected, boosted by 37.7 billion unrealized gain. Market reaction plus 7% after hours. Amazon, revenue at 181.5 billion plus 17% year over year, beat estimates. Earnings per share 2.78 versus 1.64 expected, includes 16.8 billion gain from Anthropic. Meta, Facebook, revenue 56.31 billion plus 33% year over year, beat estimates. Earnings per share 10.44 versus 6.65 expected, includes 8 billion tax benefit. Microsoft, revenue 82.9 billion plus 18% year over year, beat estimates. Earnings per share 4.27 ahead of 4.05 expected. Apple, revenue 111.2 billion plus 17% year over year, beat estimates. Earnings per share $2.01, beat expectations. Nvidia, fiscal Q4 included in Q1 earnings season, revenue 68.1 billion, beat expectations. AI demand is still explosive. AMD, Q1 2026 blowout results driven by AI accelerators. Stock jumps 17 to 18% on earnings day. Semiconductors, the strongest sector. Nasdaq's April 26 review notes semiconductors drove the best monthly performance in 23 years for the Nasdaq 100, 15.7% in April. AI hardware demand is the primary catalyst. AMD, Nvidia, Micron, ASML. Index level earnings strength. While the S&P 500 is not the Nasdaq 100, it provides a broad benchmark for earnings season. 84% of companies beat EPS estimates, highest since 2021. Earnings growth so far 27% year over year, also the strongest since 2021. Nasdaq 100 futures hit record highs on big tech beats. Given the Nasdaq 100's heavy tech weighting, these numbers align closely with what we see in the index. What's still to come in 2026? Upcoming major Nasdaq 100 earnings, May through July 2026. AMD, May 5. That one had a major earnings beat. Nvidia, May 20th. Micron, late June. ASML, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Alphabet, late July. These will determine whether the current momentum continues into Q2. Bottom line, Nasdaq 100 earnings in early 2026 are exceptionally strong, with massive beats from Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, and Apple. Explosive AI-driven semiconductor growth. AMD, Nvidia, SanDisk. Record high index levels supported by broad revenue and EPS outperformance. Unusual one-time gains boosting some mega cap EPS numbers. The combination of AI demand plus strong cloud plus advertising recovery is driving one of the best earnings seasons since 2021. We'll leave it there today. Hope you have a wonderful day.